Ready to launch your career and earn as you learn? An apprenticeship in Wales could be your smartest move yet. Whether you're finishing school, changing direction, or building on your skills, whatever your age, apprenticeships give you hands-on experience, recognised qualifications, and zero student debt. From digital and engineering to healthcare, hospitality, and the creative industries, whatever your passion, there's a pathway waiting for you. Prefer to learn in Welsh or English? No problem. Learn in the language that feels right for you. Here in Wales, local employers and training providers are ready to support your journey, with the Welsh Government behind you every step of the way. No matter your background, there's an apprenticeship to match your ambitions, from GCSE right through to degree level. And you'll have tailored guidance to keep you on track. Gain skills, grow confidence, build your future, and get paid while you do it. Don't wait. Meet your apprenticeship provider today. Unlock your potential. Choose an apprenticeship in Wales. Your future starts here. Earn, learn, succeed.